Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home.
Good morning. So I just got out of the shower. It is a hot mess in here. I need to clean my bedroom and my bathroom. Just a really quick speed clean. There are certain things that I do every single morning, like make my bed and wipe off my countertops, that sort of thing. So let me show you what it's looking like. So we got a nice pile of clothes over here. There's always a mess over there because that's where I throw like all the pillows that go on the bed, all that great stuff. And obviously the bed is a hot mess and needs made up.
The sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new. Yeah, I've been thinking of the parts I play for you. Now I'm drinking from the bottle as I do. It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong team. Oh, there's a lie and there's a fun coming out of me every time I see. Oh, there's a lie and there's a fun coming out of me every time I see. Oh, there's a lie.
Hey, thank you so much for being here today. If this is your first time on my channel, I am Kim, K-Y-M, and I would just love to welcome you to join our YouTube family. We are called the Up Krew. We're trying to keep up with work-life balance and everything else in between. I love creating videos pertaining to home life, whether it be shopping, car detailing, cleaning, cooking, that sort of thing. There's also DIYs, painting, tips, and laughter. What more could you ask for? So basically, it's like home life. If that is the type of content that you like, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out and hit the like button as well. It really does help my channel.
Sugarcoat and reconcile.
I just really wanted to do a quick speed clean in my bedroom and also my bathroom. My bedroom really just needed dusted and vacuumed, and the bathroom just needed, maintenance, everyday maintenance that you do.
And there's a fun coming out of me every time I see.
To clean off the mirrors, I will be using Sprayway glass cleaner, and to clean off everything else, I will be using Vinegar. All of the cleaning products that I use are listed below in the description box.
And there's a fun coming out of me every time I see. One's a destroy, and one's a war, fighting hard to be the better part of me.
How are you doing today? Let me know in the comments what has been going on, what you've been working on. Spring has sprung and the weather has been so beautiful. So yeah, let me know what's going on in your life. For me, the past week was rough just because I was painting my daughter's room and my body was like, hey, you need to sit down, girl, have several seats. So I've been resting. Self-care is something that you should definitely try to do at least once a day for 15 minutes. That is what I have been told, so I've been trying to step up my game. But when your body is telling you, I'm tired, and if you go any further, I'm gonna shut down, you definitely have to sit down and rest. The mirrors are clean. The sinks are clean. Life is good. Okay, so my bed is made. It's not perfect, but no one said it needed to be perfect. It's not gonna ever be perfect either. Everything is nice and dusted. Don't forget to stream Kim at Home while you're cleaning. When I was cleaning the room, I thought to myself, go reward yourself with some cinnamon rolls, okay? While I'm waiting for those to bake, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything straightened up here in the kitchen. Just basically wiping down the countertops, unloading the dishwasher, that sort of thing.
If I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins, and then when I say your name, bet I'm every.
Since my YouTube family is called the Up Krew, let's talk about how we can keep up with our homes. The very first tip that I have for you is make sure that you have some sort of routine every single day. For me, when I wake up, I shower, I make my bed, I wipe off my countertops, that sort of thing. But then when I go downstairs, I also have stuff that I need to do. So it doesn't really take that long, but splitting things up through periodically, like morning, evening, whatever, it really works. It's also less overwhelming. And what I find funny is a lot of people say, oh my gosh, I hate cleaning. But I feel like a lot of you hate cleaning because you wait until your house is trashed to clean it. I am way too lazy for all of that. I will never clean my house all in one day. It's just too much. Which is why I straighten up and I tidy up all throughout the week so that I can just chill on the weekend, hang out with my family or whatever, These spices are the spices that I'm going to use for the icing for the cinnamon rolls. It turns it up to a whole nother level and it's just yummy.
Bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything
lunchtime. It's actually the next day, but anyway, it's lunchtime. Here are my spices I'm using. I'm trying to do this really fast because I'm hangry. I'm making some spinach, and here is my salmon. The sauce that I'm making for the salmon, because y'all know I like to make me a good sauce, right? It's gonna have the dill, butter, garlic, and lime. It's gonna be so amazing.
You need, I'm everything you need. Bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just go on and tell me, get into my eyes.
Bon appetit, party people. I clean as I cook. So here is my mess. It's only the pots and pans. I've already wiped everything down. I always hand wash my pots and pans because they don't really do so well in the dishwasher. Let me know how you wash your pots and pans. Leave a comment down below. Also, be sure you wash the handles because that's a part of the pot and pan, okay? I'm gonna clean my sink out with the Method Degreaser. I really like this. The lavender scent is okay. And I'm also gonna use some dish detergent. I think it's Dawn. I don't know what it is, but there's something so pleasing about cleaning out the sink. It's smelling all good and all that great stuff. I just like a clean sink. Leave a comment down below if you agree.
You were always smarter. I was the one to take a look. I remember how it started to realize what my
I have so many doors in my home that I feel like I'm constantly cleaning doors, but how often do you guys clean your doors? They're being cleaned with the Method Multi-Purpose Cleaner.
in a paradise. We can work it out and see the hard times fading. And the
It is finally time to clean these things right here off. So let me turn the light on so you can see how dusty they are.
in a paradise, we can work it out.
I've never actually taken these off to clean them. I've just cleaned them while they were attached. So it's not like super, super bad, but it is pretty dirty. So here is your before, because it's gonna look completely different once we are finished. It's gonna look just cleaner, you know? And I figured since I was doing that, I could do these as well. So I have them all lined up. Here they are. Here is a close-up of these. You can see the dirt and the dust on these because they're like a different color, whereas those are clear, so it's really hard to tell. So I'm just gonna clean it off with some vinegar. Listen, if you don't already know, I love me some vinegar. Let me tell you why. Several reasons, but I'll just name a few for you. Disinfectant, it can be used as a fabric softener. It also removes hard water stains. Vinegar also helps you build immunity. That was such a tongue twister. And it helps improve your cholesterol as well. One more benefit that I want to point out really quickly is it's a streak-free clean with vinegar. These definitely look a lot more cleaner than what they were. A little bit of vinegar goes a long way, that's for sure. There was a huge difference on those clear holders. I don't know what they're called. They're called light fixtures, I think. Y'all know if I don't know the name of something, I will make something up. Light fixture sounds good to me, okay? They're very clean, and that's all that matters. It's always better to dust off the fan or any other space that you're going to clean prior to wiping it with a wet wipe. Here is what it's looking like. One thing that I don't like about having to clean these is putting them back on. It's always a struggle. My fingers always get sore. It's just annoying. It's shining bright like a diamond. It's nice and clean. Hopefully you're getting dizzy by this. That fan looks amazing. So much better than what it did initially. I don't really like the fan. I want to replace it, but that's a whole nother story. I almost feel like this is brighter in here because it's just, you know, clean. It looks brighter to me though. My couch is dirty. It really needs clean. I try to do it like every month. I will not be doing it on camera, but I will vacuum it on camera. Let me know how often you have been cleaning off your couches, whether it be a gypsy couch clean or if you actually use some sort of carpet cleaner. My house is lived in. We live here. We make messes. We do clean it up right away, but
Nothing typically sits too long. However, there is always something on these couches and I'm constantly cleaning them off. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Always remember, wherever life takes you, walk proudly with your head held high. You are worthy, you are needed, you are loved, and you are amazing. The vacuum lines look amazing. I am done for the day. I am exhausted. Due to some medical difficulties, I was not able to finish my daughter's room, but I will be finishing it here within the next 2 weeks. I am exhausted. I'm sure I don't look exhausted because I got great skin. Anyway, I was so sore after I painted, I could not finish it. So I'm just gonna have to finish it like next week or the week after. So just look out for part 2 of that video. That's it. That's all. This episode of Cribs is over, so you got to go. Thank you so much for being here. Be sure that you are saying your affirmations. Look in the mirror. Say it until it resonates with your soul. I am worthy, I am loved, and I am amazing. On period, okay? I really appreciate all of you. Be sure to hit the like button as well, as it helps my channel, and they will actually like push my videos out now, so I'm very excited about that. Thank you again for watching. Bye guys.